Put your sunglasses on, girls, because it's about to get bright. I basically, every now and then, do a fun little makeup look in the evening, like just to practice for myself. And I thought, I'm just going to do it. I'm going to record it and show you guys it. So, I'm going to show you this eye, which I don't really know what to call it, but it's just a little bit of fun, isn't it? I've got two bold colours, and it's kind of a out there kind of look. So I'm going to show you how to do it, and it's actually really, really easy. Probably doesn't look it, but honestly, it actually is. So, first of all, oh, I should have turned that light up there off. So, first of all, I've prepped the eye, so it's got concealer on it, and it is now matte. That is the key. You don't want it shiny, you don't want it slippery, you want it matte, so it's all nice and soft and ready for eyeshadow. So I'm actually going to be using this, which is the Juvia's Palace, the Magic Palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Kissy, I think. This palette is not cheap, like this palette is expensive, but I really wanted to use it because I don't really use it often. But yeah, it's got all these shades in it, and I'm going to go into this one, which is like a, it's just like a plain, actually I'll use that brush later, all over my lid, like so, to kind of prep it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to straight go in without even a transition. I'm going to go straight into this colour called Ivy, I think that's how you say it, which is this, which is actually a really, really dark purple, and it is like mega dark. And I'm just going to go straight in with that and work that into my crease. Now, the reason why I'm doing this without a transition is I've been watching that Mmmmitchell on Instagram. I'm obsessed with his stuff, like obsessed. He is one of the best people, I think, that does makeup on Instagram. Honestly, I just can't not watch his stuff. And when I watch his videos, I swear the people don't use a transition. They put the bold colour straight on and then blend it out. And if he does it, I'm going to do it. Yeah, let me know. Oh my god, it looks well good. Thank you. Do you know, so many people say that they think I suit blonde hair, which is kind of sad, I guess, because like the upkeep is ridiculous. I couldn't do it. If you're watching this video for me and you don't mind sharing it, then please share it. I appreciate it massively. So then I'm literally just using a clean brush, and I'm going to go and blend this all out. Done that, I'm going to go in with this colour called Kogi, I think, which is like a kind of pinky red, as you can see. But once I start blending it in, it does kind of go a bit more purpley because of the red that's blended. So I'm taking this brush, no, not this brush, this brush. Oh, I know. Well, I was blonde, but the reason why I just started not to like it, well, this was a few years ago, was because my eyebrows were so dark, like they're so dark naturally, but I can't, I would literally have to bleach them if I went any lighter. And don't you find once you start getting highlights, you can't really stop. And then same colour and this same brush, so it's got a little bit of the red on, I'm going to go under here. Okay, so once I've done that, this side looks a little bit more blue. Oh, I know. I'm going in with this colour called Faso. And I'm taking my little finger. This is such a beautiful shade. It's like a iridescent, and I'm going to put it into the inner corner. I think it will look better when I've got my lashes on. So right now, obviously it's messy under here, but I'm going to blend. And then I'm going to fold this, which is just, this is actually from Primark. And it's my Micellar, like Micellar little pads. This is what it looks like. And I wouldn't actually use this to take my makeup off. However, I use them just to like go under my eye to clean up. Just to do that only because they probably work, but I find a lot of stuff like this actually really hurts my skin. And obviously just going under here, it's very light, so it's not gonna irritate me. So people that don't know how to do liquid eyeliner, I'm going to take this dip, which is from my website. I'm going to get from here. Now you see the crease of your eye, which is here. I'm literally going to go straight across that. Like so. And then I'm going to drag it back to meet the eye. And then what you'll notice is it's straight. When you shut your eye, it goes straight down. So you can pull it. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit of black eyeshadow. This is my key on how you make it look perfect. Okay, so I've put that glue on, so I'm going to get the lash, and the wig wasn't as... The thing is with a wig is if you leave it on and don't like style it or like make it look okay, presentable, it can look wiggy. Does that make sense? Okay, so once I've put that lash on, I'm going to get a little bit of black powder again. As you can see where that join is, as soon as you put black eyeshadow over it, da-da, it goes. So, and I find this so much better than liquid eyeliner. This is quite a coarse brush as well. This is from my website, the liner. I have any option, literally any colour, but I'm thinking, I think maybe baby pink too, you know. So I'm going to just get a little bit under here. I tried doing this thing where I'm like going live but also filming bits for my YouTube channel, but I just don't think it's really working out for me, to be fair. Let's just see. Okay, I've still got enough battery, we're all good. So I'm taking this. No, I'm glad you brought it up. So today I had my home visit. So like an RSPCA, like I guess they're like a local person comes out to you, and she said it looks perfect. Obviously she's not going to say what she actually puts in the report, but she said to me like everything looks perfect. She didn't have any like requests on stuff that I would need to do, so everything is okay. She said that if she's going to put her, obviously her side of it, her report or whatever through, and basically if they like the report and everything's good, then I should maybe get a call even tomorrow about either picking her up or the next step, really. Obviously if I get to pick her up, then yes. So yeah, we're nearly there, guys. I'm gonna go under here. I need to get into this. I'm gonna go, oh, actually, tell you what, this little thing's pretty good. Right under there. And, well, yeah, it's the, I just can't live without it. Jade, I'm so sorry. I must have sounded so rude. I literally thought, okay. Lucy, it is all practice, trust me. When I post my before and afters, when I used to do makeup, Lord above. Like, I loved doing makeup back then, but I just didn't know what I was really doing. So I was kind of just like, yeah, that looks good. When it actually did not. Let's just blend down here. Your face when Jade said that. I know, I'm so sorry. My skin doesn't look very good at the moment. It's just hormones, I think. You know how it is. One of them things. Put your sunglasses on, girls, because it's about to get bright. The highlight. Yeah, but that's different. Your hair isn't naturally dark like mine. My hair's like black, Hagrid. And you look alright blonde. Plus, I don't have the effort for it. And you know I get bored really quickly. You've been blonde for ages. Like, I was blonde like for a year. So I think I'm going to go with what Lucy said. Lucy, you're going to finish this look. So I'm going to, oh, I might go a bit with the blush. Going blush, just a little. I dropped it, so never mind. Keep thinking about going to the dark side again, but I'm like, nah. Stay light for summer and then rethink about it later. I'm naturally blonde, but I've got plum coloured hair. To tell you what, I love a bit of plum. It's all like broke out a little bit. It's just hormones though. Nothing I've used. It's that area, which I actually didn't know until I had my facial done. I'm off to tan my sis. Huh? Or you're off to tan and then me as your sis. I wish I could tan. I'm not allowed to at the moment. I'm getting laser done. Sorry guys, I actually didn't end this video, but thank you for watching and I'll see you again very soon.